In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Wix Studio to Classic Wix Editor 2026 guide. If you love the familiar drag and drop flexibility of the classic Wix Editor, but you're currently working inside Wix Studio, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to start a new site in the classic environment. We'll move smoothly through the setup so you can get designing right away without extra clutter. Start by logging in and making sure you're viewing your Wix Studio site's dashboard. This is simply the starting point. You don't need to change anything here yet. In the top right corner, click Create New Site. That begins a clean setup flow for a fresh project. Right after that, you'll see a prompt asking which platform you want to use, and this is the crucial moment. Choose Wix Editor, not Wix Studio. Picking Wix Editor is what puts you in the classic interface you know. The straightforward drag and drop canvas with the familiar controls. Take a second to confirm that selection before moving on because it determines the entire editing experience. Next, Wix will offer to add features like chat or an online store. To keep your initial setup fast and uncluttered, select Setup without chat. Don't worry, you can add chat, a store, and other apps later from your dashboard with just a few clicks. Keeping it lean now helps your editor load faster and keeps you focused on design. You'll be asked to specify the type of website you're building. Type something like portfolio, blog, or business, then click Continue. This helps Wix surface templates that match your project, saving you time during template selection. As your dashboard is prepared, you'll likely see setup prompts and getting started screens. Go ahead and click skip on those. Skipping doesn't remove any functionality. It simply takes you straight to design so you can get hands-on sooner. You can revisit onboarding tips anytime if you need them. Once the new dashboard loads, look to the top right and click Design Site. When prompted, choose Pick a Template. Browse the template library, preview anything that catches your eye, and when you're ready, click Edit on the template you want. That action launches the classic Wix editor. When the editor opens, confirm you're in the right place by looking for the floating toolbar and the sidebar with your site pages and elements. Seeing those classic controls means you're set. From here, you can drag, drop, customize, and build with the tools you already know, and that's it. You've started a new site in the classic Wix editor directly from Wix Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.